क्लबान म्हाका भरपूर सपोर्ट केला हें करपाक आनी सगळें सेंड केलां आनी गोवा स्विमींग एसोसिएशनान म्हाका हेल्प केला.
कशें ट्रेनिंग केलें तुमी भुरगें?
आमी भुरग्यांक सकाळ सांजचे 4 to 6:30 स्विमींग पुलाचे प्रॅक्टीस करताय. मागीर आमी तांकां हसोल ना वयले उदका लागून थिंग ट्रेनींग केलें आनी मागीर आमी घाले.
आनी आतां परफॉर्मन्स कसो जाला आयज?
सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी बरो केला परफॉर्मन्स. सगळ्यान एकल्यान कांय केलें सगळ्यान बरो केला.
आनी हें स्विमींग करप ट्रेनींग दिवप कशें कितें जाता तुमचें?
मातशें भुरगें हार्ड पडटा पूण जावपाक ट्रेनींग कोण आसता कांय जायना.
आनी सेफ्टी सेक्युरिटी कशें केलें तुमी?
सेफ्टी आमी लास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लायफ गार्डान हाडले आनी आमगे आहले लायफ गार्ड तेमी सगळ्यांक हेल्प केला.
ओके, आतां कितें अवॉर्ड दितले?
आतां ताका ट्रॉफी आनी सर्टिफिकेट.
कशी बघतली तांकां?
तेंगे ते चोयले फिलींग केसा आतां तांकां.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Amigos de Clark, President Mr. Frank, for organizing this event. In fact, this initiative to promote young budding swimmers is a good initiative which he has started. And this has been the annual event which they have been organizing. So I wish all these budding young swimmers achieve their goals in life as swimmers. And as an exercise also, swimming is supposed to be one of the best exercises. And they should inculcate this habit and practice of doing swimming whenever they get time, because their schedule is very busy now. Students, as you know, have a lot of studies, tuitions and other things. Besides this, I hope they'll make time for this activity, and this may be their aim and goal in life, and become our superstars for the Indian events in the future, the international events as well. I wish them all the best, and I also wish the organizers to conduct such events as and when possible for them.
My name is Ryan.
Okay, tell us.
I'm studying KG2.
Okay,
I am baby step, please.
okay, so small. How you cross the river? You were trained by someone?
Yes.
So you are feeling happy?
Very happy.
Very happy. Okay. Tell us, two of your children also participate in this swimming crossing. Now, how you feel?
Very good.
Very good. So, how about the training and all?
Training, sir, is initial.
Okay.
Then for the study.
Usually, parents get frightened to train the swimming.
I
Like,
am scared, but my children is very
okay. So, you're happy with their performance.
very good.
My name is My school name is Father Metropolitan School in Vietnam.
Yeah. Tell us. How was your swimming today?
Nice.
Okay. How was your experience? But how you felt?
No deep.
Okay. Your training helped you to swimming, no?
Yeah.
So, what's your future now? You want to be swimmer? Okay.